Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business with GoToMeeting, full guide step by step clearly. GoToMeeting offers a range of features to help protect your business during virtual meetings. Start by downloading the GoToMeeting app from the official website or your device's app store. Once installed, create an account and log in using your credentials. Set up your meeting by selecting the Schedule a Meeting option on your dashboard. Choose a date and time for your meeting, ensuring it accommodates all participants. Before sending invites, adjust the meeting settings to enhance security. Enable the passcode feature to require a password for attendees to join. Consider utilizing the waiting room feature to control who enters your meeting. Once your settings are configured, send the invitations to your participants. Instruct attendees to join the meeting using the unique link provided in the invitation. Once participants join, familiarize yourself with the meeting controls available. Use the Mute All option to minimize background noise during discussions. Encourage participants to use video to enhance engagement and accountability. Share your screen when needed, but ensure you only display necessary information. Leverage the chat feature to facilitate communication without interrupting the speaker. If sensitive topics arise, use the recording feature judiciously and inform participants beforehand. At the end of your meeting, remind attendees of any follow-up actions and next steps. Collect feedback about the meeting experience to improve future sessions. Review the meeting reports available after each session for insights on attendance and engagement. Regularly update your GoToMeeting app to benefit from the latest security enhancements. By following these steps, you can create a secure and productive virtual environment for your business meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.